Take a ride in the 2020 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, tailgate step, running boards, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.